What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is driver survives this and then starts fighting. Listen, I uploaded this video already, but the volume was off, and typically I do reactions like the first time watching them, but this was such a good video that I'm like, I messed up, so we got to make it back right, man, because you guys got to see this video. But anyway, let's get to it, man.
Any reason why you driving recklessly like that?
I'm trying to get to my mom.
It does not matter, man. Let me get your driver's license. You have your driver's license?
Okay, can you meet me at my house? Thank you.
No.
You don't have
Give me
to
your driver's
write,
license.
You don't have to write
Ma'am?
that. You don't have to write to do that.
Alpha 12. Send me a 94. Stop the car! Stop the car! 94. Send me a 94. Black female trying to run me over. Yeah, stop the car! Stop my car!
I can't.
Put the car in you drive. Give me a 94 now.
You better tighten up.
Oh! Eastbound trying. Almost ran me off the road.
Recording.
Oh yeah, it's on and popping now.
6800 44th Street.
Signal 4 at the 6800 block, 44th Street. I got a bad signal 4. Start fire rescue. Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out! Get out! I'm buckling the seatbelt. Go to the other side.
The car ended up this way by violently rolling over multiple times due to the suspect's reckless driving and extremely high speed.
I'm buckling her seatbelt. I'm trying to detain the female.
Do you see the car wheel? Bruh, it's like, even though I seen this yesterday, it's like, this footage is insane, bro. This footage is insane. She tried to run dude over, like, nah, what? I mean, they're gonna word it as like running him over, but it's gonna work because the cop had his hand inside the vehicle and she took off and it could move him. You know what I mean? So, yo, that is insane. Do you see the car wheel? Like, hold on.
Driving and
hold on. Do you see the wheel? Look at the wheel.
Due to the suspect's
look at the wheel, man. Do you see the wheel? Oh my God. She tried to take off and yo, the car flipped and everything. This is so insane. I'm not even gonna lie.
Reckless driving and extremely high speed.
I'm buckling her seatbelt. I'm trying to detain the female. Give me a knife. Give me a knife. Get out the car. Get out the car.
I can't. I can't breathe.
You're going to jail.
Worn down in 15 seconds. Body worn down, canceled.
Get up. Get up. Get the f up.
Can you get my
First.
No.
Open the door. Move again. Move again. Hey, I left the car, bro.
Yo, he's pissed. He gonna get it right. She better tighten up. She better tighten up because he's pissed, bro. Like, and here's another thing that I really don't understand. Just let it play, man. It's too good, bro. I'm gonna let y'all rock out, man.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
I can't understand anyone.
Can you please get my purse?
Get in the car.
No! I don't fucking trust you!
Get in the
I don't like you.
In custody.
Excuse me.
Warning, we can't hear you with the siren. Alpha 2-1.
Yo, get the f out of here.
2-1.
Can I talk to you?
No.
Excuse me. Can I talk to you?
No, put your foot in the car.
I'm not sure.
Excuse me. Can I talk
Help
to
me
you?
put her in the f***ing car. Get in the car.
Can I talk
Put
to
your
you?
car in there. Get in the car.
Can I please talk to you?
car. Not right now. Get in the car.
But my purse.
Get your foot in the
I'm allowed to get my purse.
Get your foot in the car.
I'm allowed to get my purse. I'm allowed to get my purse. No. I'm allowed to get my purse. That's the law.
Get in the car.
I'm
Get in the car.
Get my purse.
Get in the car.
Why can't I get
Get in the car.
I'm asking, can I get my purse?
Get in the car.
You can look inside my purse. I have nothing in my purse.
Sarge, LT, put her in the
Can I
car.
get my purse, please?
No.
My mom is 80 years old.
I don't care.
I
No,
can
you
prove-
cannot.
Get in the car.
Put your legs in the car.
Can I please get
Put
my
your legs in the
I
car.
have that
No,
right.
put your legs in the car.
Why can't I get the
You're
right?
under arrest. You
But
don't
can
get
you
anything.
explain
No,
why?
put your legs in the car.
I'm bleeding.
Oh, well.
Why can't I get my purse? You can check my purse.
164.
I did a traffic stop. She's like, why'd you stop me? I was like, I have a right to stop you. You're driving reckless. She goes, no, you can meet me at my house. Puts in the drive, drives off while my arm is in here. Then she's dragging me.
Okay, act bad, Leo.
Yeah, so she puts in the park, backs it up, I almost fall, crashes, the fence is damaged over there.
Oh, over there.
Yeah.
Hey, control this, man. Let rescue take care of that. Clean yourself off. Get some clean your arms off.
She dragged me and my knee kind of buckled. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys?
She tried to hit you?
She drove off with me. I opened up the door because I see she's trying to put it in drive.
Yeah.
And she just takes off. Bro, 2 times in the face. Boom, boom. As she's driving off, she's, don't hit me, don't hit me. Pushing in reverse, she drove. The door pushes me, almost fall. Then she puts it in drive again, crashes into the fence, takes off westbound.
Hey guys, when you give me a second, can you guys pick a side? Yeah, just so I'm setting up tape. I don't want you guys to get caught in the crime scene, okay? Thank you guys. Yeah, that rolled over.
It looked like she rolled, but I don't know what she hit. That's the thing. She was told.
That tree
Okay,
right there.
makes sense.
She took the whole thing.
Huh?
It's like a little fender up there. Like, did she?
Yeah, she hit the fence.
Hey Ray, you got charges on this female?
Oh, it's not ours, brother.
Oh, no, I'm just showed up.
That's this man right here.
So you tried to 50 her and she took off?
Yeah, no. So I stopped and she goes, I saw you behind me at the light, stopped at the red light. Why didn't you stop me then? I'm like, I can stop you whenever I want to stop you. Oh, well, you can meet me at my house. Puts in the drive, takes off.
Damn.
If I didn't jump out the way in time, I would have got trapped underneath the car.
This thing rolled?
It had to have, yeah, it went up in there.
Do me a favor, step out of the vehicle so I can search you.
Sit by what?
Step out of the vehicle so I can see, I can search you.
Can you help me? Cause I really cannot get up.
No, just look that way. I don't need you to look at me, okay? Is this your real hair?
No, it's a wig.
Step back inside.
How come I cannot get my
So
purse?
this is right now this is an active investigation. So when we determine what's going on, then we'll let you have your purse, okay?
Okay, but this is my purse and my phone. I just want you to
To contact somebody, yes, I will do that for you.
and
Please
you
step
can
in.
look through to make sure
Okay.
it's not nothing bad activity.
Step in the vehicle.
He got dragged by that car. Got to get him checked out.
All right, he's going to the hospital.
I punched her 4 times.
Okay, cool.
I'm just letting you know.
Tell him about your knee, bro.
Yeah,
not worried about
the
it.
knee buckled.
Superman,
All right,
bro.
you got to go to the hospital, man. You get checked out.
I don't think it's nothing.
No, LT don't care about that. You punched her 4 times. Like, hey, it is what it is. Like, yo, a scene like this, she try to drag you with the car. Like, yeah, boy. Yo, I'm telling you, this footage is so crazy. Like, this footage is crazy, bro. This is some of their best work. Midwest Safety, man, and she's still fighting and arguing after the fact. Like, I know when that car accident happened and she finally got out the car and the officer put her to the ground or whatever, I know she was just like, ah! man. Oh, I know she was in pain, bro. The car flipped, bro. Do you see the car? Did you see the wheel? The wheel is like, it's like an L, bro. Oh my goodness, man. These people are crazy, bro. All of this over what? Some traffic stop or whatever. Like, now you definitely going to jail. Like, 100%. You cause a ruckus in a scene like this?
Severe though, see.
It might not feel like that right now because your adrenaline's going. Yeah, bro.
When you cool down, when you cool down, it's gonna start to hurt.
There's probably some bruising, but I gotta check out. It's the right knee. The thing is, bro, I don't think nothing's torn.
See, you could tell this is a good officer right here, man, because the other cops, they try to tell it, hey, make sure you get checked. Hey, write it down on paper. That's that workers' comp, boy. It's something like, you better write it down. Like, what? If you hurt, you know what I'm saying? Like, because you never know. Down the line, you could feel it. And it could be, you could have some complications, and that could be, you know, traced back to this incident. So you always want to get checked out. Like, what? And you on the clock? Yeah.
It's like really, really sore. I don't even think it's swelled up. You really need an x-ray to really determine.
I think he got out of his car, and I think she tried ramming him, but she's like big time 20, dog. Like, bro, she was all bloody, and she's still like fighting, like, to not go in the car. Okay, so just based on what I can see, the car's not hers. It's registered to another older female, probably her mom. Okay. Just based on what Woody said, that she dragged him. Yeah, that's Agbat Leo, all day, every day. Yeah. Where the glove compartment used to be, there's a tire embedded in there.
Oh, yeah. Yo, this is a nasty crack.
Yeah, she flipped.
To be alive.
She flipped. She's lucky she's alive. What tree did she hit?
First tree there.
So she was coming
westbound.
Westbound. Oh, so she lost control and hit the tree.
That's signal 4. A lot of work here. This one's a big mess for you guys. I'm sorry, but
gee, thanks.
Hey.
Thank you for putting this big cluster in my lap. So Agbat Leo fleeing, eluding,
resisting.
And resisting.
I don't know if it's with or without.
It's with because it's the vehicle.
Well, you're hitting with an Agbat.
Yeah, we're hitting with an Agbat. We'll hit her with all the felonies available to us. They'll drop half of them, but either way, this crazy.
Crystal was charged with aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer, fleeing, eluding, resisting with violence, reckless driving, driving with an expired license, and failure to yield while turning left. She appeared in court 2 days later where she was granted a $5,000 bond while being ordered not to drive. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.